Welcome to our educational channel. In today's video, we will dive into the realm of epistemology, the study of knowledge. Join us as we unravel different perspectives on how knowledge is acquired and examine various forms of education. Let's get started. One philosophical approach to acquiring knowledge is rationalism, which emphasizes the use of logic and reason as the primary means of understanding the world. Rationalists believe that knowledge is derived from innate ideas and the application of logical thinking. On the other hand, we have the empiricists, who assert that all knowledge begins with sense experience. According to this perspective, our senses serve as the foundation for understanding and acquiring knowledge about the world around us. Amidst these contrasting viewpoints, there exists a philosophy known as eclectic philosophy. This unique approach involves the fusion of knowledge from various sources and philosophies. Eclectic philosophy strives to incorporate the best ideas and principles from different perspectives to create a comprehensive and well-rounded educational philosophy. Now, let's explore different forms of education that exist within our society. Formal education is a pre-planned and organized system that takes place within institutions such as schools and universities. It follows a structured curriculum and is designed to impart knowledge and skills to learners in a systematic manner. In contrast, informal education is indirect and spontaneous, occurring in various settings outside of formal institutions. The family environment often serves as the first and most influential source of informal education, where children learn through observation, interaction, and everyday experiences. Non-formal education represents a flexible and adaptable system that combines elements of both formal and informal education. It is characterized by learning experiences that are designed to meet specific needs and objectives, outside of the traditional classroom setting. Moving beyond the forms of education, let's delve into the concepts of bipolar, tripolar, and quadrupolar processes. The bipolar process refers to the interaction between two individuals involved in the educational experience. This can be seen in one-on-one tutoring or mentoring situations, where the exchange of knowledge and understanding occurs between a knowledgeable person and a learner. In the tripolar process, we introduce a third element into the educational equation. This could involve a group setting, such as a classroom, where the teacher facilitates learning among multiple learners. The interaction and collaboration between the teacher, students, and the subject matter create a dynamic learning environment. Finally, the quadrupolar process adds yet another dimension to education. This could involve the integration of technology, where digital tools and resources are utilized to enhance the learning experience. The inclusion of technology expands the educational possibilities and provides learners with access to a wealth of information and interactive learning opportunities. We have explored the study of knowledge through the lens of epistemology, examined different forms of education, and touched upon the concepts of bipolar, tripolar, and quadrupolar processes. Remember, education is a multifaceted field that encompasses diverse philosophies and approaches. Understanding these various perspectives allows us to appreciate the complexity of knowledge acquisition and the rich tapestry of educational experiences. If you found this video enlightening, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more educational topics with you in the future.